So here we are in the valleys of Oahu, riding these trails with my new friends from Hawaiian Airlines. They call these guys the Friday Riders. So I finally was able to get a chance to ride with these fellas, and oh well, we ran into some small problems today. One of our riders has a brake issue, so we're gonna try to ride around that schedule because I don't leave anybody behind. We went in together. We're gonna come out of this trail together. So luckily the bike is still rideable, just that it doesn't have a back brake. And it's a shame because I think it's a 2014 KTM, looks like a 200. It's a really beautiful bike. I was admiring it. Oh my gosh, that thing just cut my snout. These California grass blades are ruthless, man. They'll cut you like a knife. If they hit you just right, like a paper cut, oh my gosh, these are nasty. But yeah, we're having a pretty good ride. We're riding around. See, he's riding down on the fire road, and we're taking little offshoots of the trail here. So he's going down. That's Steve, and this is Junior. I just met these guys. I'm trying to remember the names, but it's hard because I was drinking with my other friend. Yesterday we went riding in the afternoon, and we had a few beers after. I had a little bit too much beers after, but that's okay. That's why we live, right? We live to ride and maybe have a couple of beers, you know? That's why we live. If not, you might as well just stay home and watch football. That's not my cup of tea. However, if that is yours, then you know, nothing against that, bro. All good. But I like to sweat a little, and this gives me the opportunity to get a good cardio workout, you know, and have fun at the same time. And once in a while, you get it, man. You get the enchilada. You know what I mean? All right. Well, anyway, I was hoping to get some